Thank you for joining us on this educational journey through the world of food technology. Show your support by liking and commenting below, and stay tuned for more fascinating insights in our own lives. Food rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, but also a symbol of culinary sophistication and class. With its tender meat and distinctive flavor, salmon brings a sense of elegance and luxury to every meal. Enjoy salmon, you will experience a wonderful taste, from the freshness and sweetness of the meat to the characteristic aroma of the sea. The combination of tender fish meat and gentle spices accentuates the natural flavors of salmon, creating an authentic culinary experience for your palate. The launch of this large class of delicious chocolate marks an important step forward in the food industry. Created by a state-of-the-art temporary machine, this layer of chocolate is not only a delicious product, but also a symbol of innovation and creativity in food production. Each of these delicious chocolates is a true work of art, with a glossy and smooth chocolate shell, enveloping the delicious almonds inside. When sipping, you will feel a delicious and sweet taste of perfect chocolate combined with the fatty taste of almonds, creating a wonderful enjoyment experience. The use of vacuum technology helps completely remove air from inside the packaging, preventing oxidation and bacterial growth, thereby extending the preservation time and keeping the tofu fresh. Fresh at the same time, ensuring that the final product always achieves the highest quality and is safe for consumer health. An appealing experience for your eyes, but also stimulate the taste buds and create a feeling of excitement for consumers. These colorful cakes are not only a food product, but also a stylish work of art. The cakes on the line are truly a work of art, full of color and creativity. With a sophisticated combination of quality ingredients and advanced production technology, the AXS cake line not only captivates the taste buds, but the combination of unique flavors and beautiful shapes makes each cake special and memorable in the hearts of those who enjoy it. From bright, attractive colors to unique and sophisticated shapes, each cake on the AXS line is a unique work, demonstrating the sophistication and high quality of the production process. With the AXS cake line, you not only enjoy great flavors, but also experience a feeling of newness and excitement every time you see these colorful and attractive cakes on the production line. With the ability to create dumplings with diverse and beautiful shapes, the machine not only helps improve product quality, but also